Hey, Monica here with King's Titan Homestead, and this is the last kind of little video photo vlog that I have from August 2020. This one I'm going to show you one of the ugliest removals I had for that entire year. It was underneath an addition on a home that had a crawl space where you could crawl underneath it. And when I first got underneath there was just like a, really nice open air, open hive where I could actually see the bees. And I got that removed. But once all that comb was down, I could see that there was bees going up into the floor. So I had to cut not only to the east wall and up into the floor, but also to the north wall and up into the floor. And I had to, it was ugly, just absolutely ugly. I had to go back to that location a couple times. I do bee removals at night for safety and containment because we're working with Africanized bees. And this hive was there for 7 years. 7. And they just kept adding on. They kept going around corners. They were going this way. They were going that way. They were going down. They were everywhere. And unfortunately, though, it was like doing 3 different removals at the same location in order to reach all the bees. But eventually we got it. I'd like to thank Edita and Milosh for helping me with this one. It was ugly. It was huge. I think the total in the end was about, I think if I'm not mistaken, I had like 11 or 13 5-gallon pails, buckets full of comb and wax and brood, and it was just huge. So that was the biggest one for 2020. Well-established hive. It wasn't starving, which was remarkable, and just a very impressive colony.